We're going to start a new video on creating pages. We're going to go here to our login, go to the dashboard, and I'm going to have a brief summary on what the difference between posts and pages are. Posts, as we went over, are created. After clicking post, there is a sub menu categories here. Add new, all posts, and you'll go to add new in the post section. Posts are the blog section of a website. So if we go here and go to the blog, you'll notice that there will be various entries as we scroll down. There is also a neat little widget here which allows people to view the latest posts, and there's also a subscription. People can subscribe to your latest posts. Another thing that you do with you can find with latest posts is your RSS feed. This is the RSS feed where people can subscribe and receive your latest post via web-based news readers or through email. And as you scroll down, you'll see the posts, and you can receive updates in your email. Okay. Now that's what the posts section does. Your post section, it can also be broken down into categories. If we scroll down here, we'll see blog, tutorials, examples, and these all can be pulled up in different sections. So when we go to the top, you'll see examples. This is also part of the blog system. However, it doesn't pull up under blog because it's categorized into a different category. We're going to go on ahead and move over to the pages now, and we're going to click on pages. And pages basically do not get changed after they are established unless you have an update or unless you want to create a new one. So let's go on ahead and create new, and we're just going to say video. I'm going to try to kill two birds with one stone here. Let's see. I'm going to open up YouTube. Okay, just a real quick, here you go, there's one on creating and editing pages right here. I don't know how good their video is, but just an example. Okay, so let's suppose we want to update our video, upload a video, excuse me for the bell in the background, and basically what we're going to do is go on to share, and once you see the drop down here on YouTube, you can basically copy this link, and I'm going to show you the difference between copying this link and actually embedding a video. So once we have the link here, it's a dead link until you actually put in the link, by the way. And we would add links the same way we would in the posts. So basically you're going to get your link, put it here, and say add link. This is how you add a link to a video, and now if you want to actually put in the video itself, embed it, you're going to click embed, and it comes with a script here already, and you're going to select all and copy and go back to your pages. Oops. Now I want to show you right here. You see visual and HTML. If you were to paste that here, this is what you'd get. I'm going to actually publish this so that we can view what happens when you incorrectly post HTML code into your basic script. You would get this. So you don't want to do that. Let's click over to HTML now, and this is where the code from YouTube would go, and we're just going to paste that in there, and go back to visual, and now you'll see that this is the embedded video. It's right here. We're going to click update, Okay, and the difference again is when you have a code, you want to click on the HTML mode and paste your code in here. Because in visual mode is basically for text editing, and HTML mode is for you to put your codes. And it's just that simple. Go to YouTube, copy, paste it in HTML mode, and update. Again, you want to make sure that your SEO settings have been set. So you'll put in your site, your meta description, your keywords, and publish, update. So now let's get a view of this page, and we will see the video page we just created, and there it is. So we have the video up on the page, and this is only a sample page, so let's go back to Pages. Alright, so let's say I don't want to have this page anymore. We're gonna get rid of that page, trash it. And another thing we could do here, quick edits, is change the date that things were written on. Sometimes the pages have dates, other times they don't. You can also change the page to pending review if you want someone to have a look at it and edit it. A draft view means that you're working on it, you don't want to publish it yet. So we're going to go back to publish to change that. Leave that alone. There's also templates again. There's a default template. Some people have things like iframes and stuff set to their sites. I create a certain template page for them called iframes, but I'm going to do that in a separate video so that we can go over how to post on a page, an iframe, how to add iframes to a page. Okay, well that's the basics of how to add a post and a page. We went over posts a little more thoroughly, so I thought it wasn't as essential to go over pages. Basically just going over the difference between the two, and the structure or manner of which they're changed are basically the same. The difference is how they basically function on a page or on a site. As you'll notice, there are a lot more posts on this site than there are pages, and the posts are basically going in through our RSS feed again, where people can subscribe to. You can't do that with pages. The best you could do with pages is to work on your SEO to get the sites ranked a little higher, but people cannot subscribe to them. They can, however, go to them and like them or add them to their Twitter or Facebook and get them out there for people to view. So I think that's about the end of our short tutorial.